Hello everyone, we are at the Design in the Age of Experience event. I'm here today with Anne Asensio, Head of Design at Dassault Systèmes. Hello Anne, it's good to have you here today.
Yeah, thank you, Asha.
So why are we here?
Well, we're here because it's a Milano Design Week. It's a place to be when you are a designer. And today we are celebrating life with a particular vision called Design for Life. So we are having a great installation from very renowned designers tackling on a very important societal challenges. Particularly this time is air pollution. And we also want to showcase how the design thinking enabled by technology will basically change the world we live in.
Right. So the Design for Life topic is the central theme. So clearly, what does it mean for you?
Well, life or being centered to human is very important for the designers. So it means that today, when we are designing, we have not just designing product, object, but looking at designing experiences. This is a very complex. Sometimes it's to design with invisible data, to design with invisible systems. And so designers need to embrace technology to basically tackle those very complex challenges. So this is what Design for Life is all about, how we will be just see the emergence of a new era and a new designer enabled by technology and science, and we, Dassault Systèmes, will be there.
Well, you've heard Anne Asensio. She shared Dassault Systèmes' vision about the Design for Life topic. I think the best way to conclude this video today is to go and meet our featured designers and see what they think about the topic. Kengo, the topic this year is Design for Life. So what would that mean for you?
Yes, life is very sensitive and very fragile. And the hard architecture could not work with life. But the soft architecture like that can work with life very easily and very harmoniously. And I want to show that kind of harmonious relationship between life and architecture.
Thank you, Kengo.
Thank you.
So I think that for both myself and Superflux, I mean, we're very interested in looking at how we can change everyday attitudes towards very everyday things. You know, in terms of air pollution is a very everyday concern for especially all of us living in London, which Superflux and I both do, but also thinking about the everyday interactions we have with data and with data visualization as well, and forms of making sense of the world through these things. I think for me, like, that's the component of this work which kind of bleeds into everyday life, because we kind of want to change these attitudes towards both pollution but also towards data as a whole.
Thanks for your time, Wesley.
Thank you.